Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's Katie Thurston and Michelle Young. Katie Thurston and Michelle Young have been named the next stars of the 17th and 18th seasons of The Bachelorette, respectively, with both individual cycles set to air in 2021. Day ago.
Take our lead.
Kelly Flanagan. Over the weekend, season 24 of The Bachelor finally came to a conclusion. 2 months after the final episode actually aired. Let the adventure begin, 28-year-old pilot Peter Weber wrote on Instagram Saturday next to a picture of him and Kelly Flanagan, a 27-year-old attorney and his fourth runner-up. 5 May 2020.
Take our lead.
Before Weber began pursuing Pruitt, he was initially engaged to Hannah Ann Sluss. Reality Steve broke the news. Peter gave Hannah Ann his final rose and they got engaged that day. Peter and Hannah Ann have since broken up, which is the scene you see of him telling someone, "I'm so sorry," the 10th of March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A month later, Underwood and Randolph announced they were going their separate ways. "Colton and I have broken up, but have decided to remain a part of each other's lives," she wrote via Instagram at the time. "With all that we have gone through, we have a special bond that will always be there," she wrote. 3 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Reports have speculated that Bachelorette alum Tyler Cameron is dating model Elizabeth Turner. A source told E! News that Tyler and Elizabeth have gone on a few dates, and while it's nothing serious, she is definitely his type. The 8th of February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Clare has forgiven Dale for his actions in the messy split, and wants to move forward. She has expressed she's still in love with him and wants to make it work. As for Dale, he is very receptive to her feelings. He regrets how the split happened, The Insider adds. 19 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Bachelorette gets new hosts to replace Chris Harrison. Harrison will not host the upcoming season of the show following controversy over racially insensitive comments. He will be replaced by former contestants Tayshia Adams and Caitlin Bristow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.